The government has continued to pump money into venture that has no shares in here to safeguard taxpayer money. The latest 67 billion payout has now sparked a public outcry. That is the Zakafuma billion in Kagamus get them coffee. Zikaviana Maziga never got about Neda. Tugamanti, your campaign again a mass one, Republic of Ghana, but William sent a Yingi or Quiggy Zavanagan on your cow. Eliachir Gamba chat and Kiroba. Abantu bwene botenga bagamba kawa simanyi akwa awubo omutima simanyi wakawa asindukirize meme simanyi kawa baba fewa finaka kwa twakula ka mzee finaka za twakawa ira kakawa ketunywa fe bikyayi tubigide na mukibuga wano nebyo sibibi kubanga tubikola mu Uganda kawa mu munywe ate bogenda kugula kawa soma ku packet bane eno campaign ya kutujja mu bwavu Chituja mutya mu bwavu eriyo company ya muna Uganda ekole mwanyi gogula kawa we Tanzania yamwe egenda kula na di eriyo company ya muna Uganda ekola coffee gogula we Kenya ogula we Vietnam ogula we Brazil ye biberako kipande ni made in Brazil tewaliwo embago ngeri ya batakaje bye balina batakabu ndi tukigana officially nebango kimanyi genda okugula omuchere yes Simanyi kayiso gwa abayindi mulungi nnyo. Naye bana bali wano factory ziri wano Uganda bakola omuchere bagulimye soko olabe made in Uganda oba product of Uganda gwobosa sula. Jennifer campaign yagikola kwano ngagamba bubu by Uganda build Uganda. This concept kati government is innocent as spinning it's way by presenters from the different radio stations and TV stations. To talk about coffee, as I'm talking to you right now, try coffee this morning. Umana bo mutuma mugambe gen trade coffee. Eyo concept eri mutwe. Mutima gwe uba kubanga omutima coffee agu chargingam nebo when you get used to coffee you are awake ogenda ku charge mugenda mu meeting nebeba nedda put in a cup of coffee after meal. Download
the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.